In this video, I'm going to explain the main aims of Practical 6 and give you a few hints on getting started. The main goals of Practical 6 is to familiarize you with pointers, 2D arrays, and working in multiple files. In question 1, you are going to use a pointer to access and change a variable. Simply follow the instructions and you should get an idea of how pointers work. Question 2 of the practical requires you to create a program that will plot an object's trajectory. You're going to do this using multiple C files. The first thing you need to do is create a new C file and a new header file. We're going to start by creating the C file. You need to select File, New, File. Select C, C++ source and go. Click Next. Select C and Next. Be sure to navigate to the correct folder for your project, and then you need to give the C file a name. Remember this name because the name of the header file must match the name of the C file. Click Save, select Debug and Release and Finish. You should see the C file then appears under the source with your main.c file. You will next create the header by repeating the process. So File, New File, but this time you're going to select C, C++ header. Once again, you need to make sure you're in the correct folder, and the header file must have the same name as your C file. Once again, select Debug and Release and Finish. You will see a new folder appears with headers with your header file in it. In order to use the functions that you're going to write in assignment 6b, you need to include the assignment 6b header file in your main. So under your includes, you're going to #include assignment 6b.h. For this question, all of your functions will be written in assignment 6b.c. The first thing that you need to do in assignment 6b.c is #include assignment 6b.h. All of your functions will be written in assignment 6b.c, but all of the function definitions will be saved in assignment 6b.h. Assignment 6b.h will also include all the #includes you need for assignment 6b.c, such as #include standard io.h. An example of one of the functions and how it can be laid out is the first function you need to work out is a calculate trajectory function. For example, this function I can call calculate trajectory. It needs to take a speed, an initial speed. It needs to take an initial angle, and it needs to take an array in which you can store the projectile's trajectory. The function prototype for this function I must then save in assignment 6b.h. So void calc trajectory void takes double speed init, double angle init, and double trajectory. You can now continue to actually write the function and all the other functions necessary and call those functions from your main, such as calc traject with the essential values in the function call.